Spliff spark. Spliff spark, thoughts drift slow, river flow, night sky wide like open page, timeless age. Me inhale deep, exhale doubt, clear out mind, expand like ocean tide. No hide, herb help me settle restless space, inner space. Me nah chase high fi lose me ground. Balance sound, meditation in a every breath. Life, death, smoke curl up like question mark. Herbal meditation flow, calm and wide from inside. Herbal meditation flow, steady stream, living dream. Me reason both the path me choose, win or lose. Every puff remind me pause. Natural laws, stillness louder than the crowd shout. No doubt, me feel connection earth to sky. Third eye, past and future meeting low. Show me oh, he's not passive, this is power. Sacred oh, slow breath carry every truth, eternal use. Herbal meditation flow, mind aligned, divine. Herbal meditation flow, soul secure, pure. Smoke fade, but lessons scared. Right away. Spliff spark. Aye. Spliff spark. Spliff spark. Oh, spliff spark, thoughts drift slow. Spliff spark. Spliff spark, thoughts. Spliff spark. Spliff spark, thoughts. Spliff spark. Spliff spark. Spliff spark. Spliff spark, thoughts. Spliff spark. Spliff spark. Spliff spark, thoughts. Spliff, 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 spliff. Spliff spark, 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 spliff, 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 spliff spark, Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Face firm like mountain wall. Stand tall. Heart warm though the world get cold. Pure gold. Me learn early life's not play. Hard way. So me build me mind like fortress gate. Against gate. Stone mind block negativity fi wave. Stay brave. But me nah freeze me empathy core. That's war. Soft heart keep me human still. Free will, it protect kindness like rare gem. Over them, stone mind, soft heart, perfect blend till the end. Stone mind, soft heart, strong and wise, clear eyes. Me respond calm when anger rise. No disguise, me know strength now mean cold stone. Alone, balance logic with compassion and understand. If me heart too hard, me lose me light. No sight. If me mind too soft, me break apart. From start, so we draft both like double blade. Well, our guiding by verse it all, no patrol. Stone mind, soft hearts, rooting deep. Stone mind, soft hearts, stone mind, soft hearts, stone mind, soft hearts, soft hearts. One command. Firm breath, warm flame, no shame. Na na na. Na 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 na. Not every fire need big explosion, silent motion. Some flames glow without loud claim. Earn name. Me build me legacy slow and real. Still feel me not chase spot like Blair. Me prepared. Every action plant one seed down. Future crown. Quiet flame warm those near. Disappear fear. No flashy spark, just steady heat. Complete. Me impact measured in lives me touch. That much. Legacy of the quiet flame. New game. Legacy of the quiet flame. Still the same. Consistency louder than boast. Solid post. Me let time testify me role. Fool soul. This me gone tomorrow man. No scan. Me know me like ever ways. Well placed. Flame pass on like touch relay. Do they? Calm outside, but me core ignite hidden lights. Silent grind in the early dawn before yawn. Me wake before the sun arise. Clear eyes. No applause when me lace me shoes. No excuse. Discipline burn like steady flame. Not for fame. Every habit shape me fade slow. Brick by brick me grow. Me not depend on motivation wave. That's slave. Me build routine strong like chain. True rain. When mood low me still execute. That's the root. Fire in me chest, but me calm face. Steady pace. Fire in the discipline, slow burn bright. Day and night. Fire in the discipline, no delay. On way. Me train mind like warrior art, strong art. Comfort whisper, soft and sweet, but me compete. Me choose long-term gain over quick thrill. Iron will. Every sacrifice had one more layer. Prayer. Every shock would build. Backbone firm. Lesson learned. Great result finally. Shine clear. Me sincere. Talent faith. If will power we. Strength seen. Fire in the discipline. Your control. ancient rhythm deep within. Echoes of ancestors call, rise up one and all. Me spirit light, me feet strong. Jah melody keep trotting long. Them system built on lion chain. Still me walk through the rain. Me carry truth like firebrand. Spread it across the land. Me chant for the voiceless man. Rasta got a plan. Freedom no come easy, but Jah move steady. Me heart a rebel flame. Me chant Jah name. Me see the youth them blind by screen. Forget them root, forget them dream. But me bring back the old time sound. Make the heart beat pound. Drum and bass unite we all. Rasta answer the call. Me no need no gun or sword. Just Jah word, me plant the seed of truth again. Watch Babylon, chain break plain when roots rebellion rise. Light up the darkened sky. Love and truth combine in a Jah design. Roots rebellion strong. We chant it all night long. No more divide or fall. One love for all. May travel far for teach you to hold on to Jah truth. The struggle real but hope still there. In the prayer me see the sun shine bright. My spirit ignite. No fear for the wicked tongue. The battle won. Me see the world start wake. Me feel the ground shake. Rebellion born from care, not despair. Me chant from mountain top. Me never stop. Jah message echo free across the sea. Me rebel with the heart of peace until it cease. Me fight with love, not rage. Jah wisdom sage, yeah. Roots rebellion rise. Light up the darkened sky. Love and truth combine in a Jah design. Roots rebellion strong. We chant it all night long. No more divide or fall. One love for all. So me chant till morning come. Righteous overcome. Roots rebellion live and stay. Let it away. Let it away. Let it, let it, let it, let it away. Let it, let it, let it. Na 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 na. Jah bless the people, yo man. Yeah. Me rise before the sun, silence in the air. Wrap me dread, wash me face, chant a little prayer. Ganja leaf in a hand, heart in a calm. Me step in a nature, far from harm. Birds a sing, breeze a blow. Me sit on rock where cool rivers flow. Me burn one, give thanks to Jah. For life, for breath, for every star. Secret fire, blaze it high. Chant down illusion, reach the sky. Sacred fire, burn them light. Truth arise and Babylon cry. Sacred fire, cleanse the soul. In a Zion flame we feel old. Me listen deep to me heartbeat drum. Ancient call from where me roots come from. Me not chase gold, me not chase fame. Me chase wisdom, real Rasta aim. Meditation, deep like sea. Mystic rhythm running through me tree. Smoke curl like spiral sign. Me vision bright, me soul aligned. Oh Jah, guide me step from concrete stress to mountain depth. Me inhale breath, exhale fear. Me feel your presence, Jah Jah name. Fire, blaze it high. Rasta light never die. hands on heart, her spirit glows. Together we chant, together we feel that real love, that Rasta seal. Children gather, elders we beat the drum till Babylon done. Sacred flame in every song, we burn illusion, we stay strong. This fire no burn skin, it burns sin, ego and lie within. It show you who you are, from earth to star, from near to far. Sacred fire, carry we home. In a Zion, we freely roam. Smoke rise, mind clear. One love, one life, Jah always near.
God bless the people, your man. Oh, run. High above the midnight sky, star of justice never die. Every glimmer, bold and true, star reveal what man must do. Babylon shadows try to hide, star of justice still will guide. Shining bright with holy flame, star exalt the righteous name. Pilgrim look and find the way, star of justice light the day. Every road so dark before, star of mercy open door. No oppression cloud the view, star of truth forever new. Every gleam of prophecy, star of justice set we free. Ooh. Elder point to heaven's eye, star of justice fill the sky. Children learn from light above, star remind them Jah is love. Even stranger lost and blind, star of mercy help them find. Every sparkle pure and bright, star of peace guide through the night. Warrior lay the weapon down, star of justice take the crown. Every battle soon will cease, star of mercy shine in peace. Babylon fortress fade away, star of truth reveal the day. Every nation come to see, star of justice victory. Whoa, hey. Teachers speak with wisdom clear, star of justice draw us near. Every lesson strong and right, star of Zion give the sight. No more hatred, no more pain, star of peace forever reign. Every glow a holy sign, star of justice still divine. Morning come, the light still strong, star of justice sing the song. Generations lift them hand, star of truth across the land. Everlasting, never fall, star of mercy guide us all. Sacred fire, bold and free, star justice, victory. Eternal beacon shining bright. Star of justice, rule the night. Never fading, never gone. Star of Zion, still live on. Glorious flame, forever pure. Star of truth will still endure. Everlasting, bold and free. Star of justice, shine for me. Shine, shine, bright and clear. Star of justice, draw us near. Rise, rise, holy flame. Star of truth, exalt your name. Star of justice, bold and bright. Guide the people through the night. Never fading, never fall. Star of mercy, shine for all. Forever glowing, strong and free. Star of justice, victory. Sacred fire, pure and true. Star of Zion, light for you.
Morning cool, bird feels strong. Me stand where me belong. Wind may taste, tides may roll. Stone stay home, rooted tone. Me no flex, prove me might. Me hold me ground day and night. Pressure come in many form, heat and storm. Words fly fast like broken glass. Me let them pass. Me learn silence stronger than shout. Strength inside, not out. Me see many crack on the load, lose them code. Me build core before display, quiet way. Me no rush response or reply, me verify. Patience give me solid frame, endure flame. Steady like stone, firm and calm, no harm. Steady like stone, hold me place in our grace. Me not chase approval song, me self-harm. Time taste everything them show. Me know what real stand after wave retreat. Solid feet. Stand can be pan surface skin. Scratch and spin. Whoa, but core remain untouched. Never crash. Stillness heavier than force. Natural core. Steady like stone. Deep and wide. Inside. Steady like stone. Still remain. Sun or rain. When those sacred truth reveal, stand still real.
Rastaman is I am man. through the valley soft and clear. Voice of wind we always hear, every whisper bold and true. Voice of wisdom shining through. Babylon wall may block the ground. Voice of wind still spread the sound. Every breeze a melody. Voice of mercy set us free. Traveler stop and lift his head. Voice of wind is what he said. Every current guide the way. Voice of love begin to play. Storm may come and thunder roar. Voice of peace remain in store. Every note of prophecy. Voice of truth eternity. Elders sit upon the stone. Voice of wind still make it known. Every story carried far. Voice of mercy heal the scar. Children dance within the field. Voice of hope the earth revealed. Every whisper bold and right. Voice of Zion shine the light. Poet hear the sacred tone. Voice of wind is not his own. Every line and every rhyme. Voice of wisdom cross the time. Babylon fortress cannot stay. Voice of truth will sweep away. Every echo strong and free. Voice of mercy victory. Morning rise, the breeze so sweet. Voice of wind at Zion feet. Every nation hear the call. Voice of peace embrace us all. Even mountain bow to sound. Voice of love shake the ground. Everlasting, pure and new. Voice of justice shining through. Generation sing along. Voice of wind compose the song. Every culture, every land. Voice of mercy hand in hand. No corruption, twist the tone. Voice of truth forever shown. Every whisper, bold and true. Voice of Zion shine for you. Never ending, never small. Voice of wind embrace us all. Sacred current, strong and free. Voice of love, eternity. Glorious anthem, pure and high. Voice of mercy, fill the sky. Everlasting, bold and new. Voice of Zion, carry through. Blow, blow, strong and wide. Voice of wind, remove the pride. Sing, sing, melody. Voice of love, eternity. Voice of wind, bold and true. Carry your message for me and you. Never fading, never fall. Voice of mercy, guide us all. Forever blowing, strong and free. Voice of truth, eternity. Sacred anthem, pure and new. Voice of Zion shining true. I ganja and cotton at your man. Me waking at the dance so clean. Jah bless me scene. Me smell the earth, the breeze, the dew. Life feel new. Bird them sing a jive thanks for another day. The mountain whisper peace, my soul release. Me see the sun paint the sky golden eye. Every leaf me see a prayer, Jah always there. Me walk through fields of light, no more night. Every shadow fade away, Jah guide me way. Me hold me staff, me trod me path, free from wrath. Each breath me take, me know Jah river flow. Yeah, Zion morning shine, bless the heart of mankind. Every tear wash clean, truth unseen. Zion morning rise, open up my eyes. Jah light divine, forever mine, forever mine. Me sit and reason with the breeze, soul at ease. The lion rough it truth again, break the chain. No money, no crown, no fame can match your name. Me plant hope deep inside, me never hide. Me hear the children play below, love overflow. Me give them roots to know how to grow. Zion teach the simple way, live and pray. Me chant till my voice gone, still carry on. Zion mountain tall, Jah rule over all. Me heart belong there true, forever new. Zion morning shine, bless the heart of mankind. Every tear wash clean, truth unseen. Zion morning rise, open up my eyes. Jah light divine, forever mine. So when the night come again, me feel no pain. Zion morning wait for me eternally. Alright. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Yeah. Yeah. Na 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 na. Yeah. From early dawn me feel the roar, strength awakening like never before. Heartbeat drum inside me chest, Jah energy put me to the test. Me walk through valley full of doubt, but courage rise and drown them out. No system trick me not today. Me mind stay firm, me spirit sway. The world can shake and twist around, but lion heart keep solid ground. Me meditate and hold me calm. Storm can break a Rasta palm. Me see people seek validation, lost inside the complication. Me whisper truth fi help them rise, show them strength live na them eyes. The rhythm guide me through the nights, teach me how fi use me voice. Me chant fi uplift every soul, unity forever be the goal. Lion heart echo, roaring through the night, guide the people strong and keep them shining bright. No matter what them try, the spirit never fall. Lion heart forever stand tall. Lion
sound. Positive vibration spread around. Me chant and see the crowd uplift. Every heartbeat start to shift. Music heal what pain divide. Bring the community side by side. Lion spirit shine so bright. Turn darkness into light. Fire blaze but love still flow. Courage everywhere me go. No cloud can hide the inner glow. Lion truth forever show. Yeah. Lion heart echo, roaring through the night. Guide the people strong and keep them shining bright. No matter what them try, the spirit never fall. Lion heart forever stand tall. Lion heart echo, blazing like a flame. Power in the roots, strength in Jah name. So when the night feel deep and long, remember the lion inside is strong. Hold the roar and keep it true. Brave vibration live in you. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Na ganja with Zion, yeah man. Na ganja with Zion, yeah man. Listen the drum, the ancient beat. Heart of Jah can't skip a beat. Me feel it deep within me chest. Jah love manifest. Me close me eyes, me hear the tone. Me never alone. Me see the people torn apart, but love still start. Me sing for the broken one, cause Jah love shine like sun. The system cold and cruel, but me heart still rule. Rasta live for unity through community. Me walk with the humble man, help when me can. Me share the last bread me own. Me never alone. Every smile me give today, chase pain away. The rhythm call me name, Jah flame. One heartbeat, one soul sound. Love keep we bound. No color, no race divide. Jah love inside. One heartbeat, strong and pure. Love endure. Together we rise and sing. Peace within everything. Me see the wicked plot and plan, but just still stand. Me no hate, me no fight. Me hold the light, me teach the youth for care. Fi always share, Rasta no sleep. Me watch, love me match. Me chant under the moon bright. Feel the light, me hear me ancestors on. Better days fi come, me lift my voice for truth. Me guide the youth, every heartbeat same. In Jah name, we one family, one sound. Jah love performance, no difference here. All equal clear. One heartbeat, one soul sound. Love keep we bound. No color, no race divide. Jah love inside. One heartbeat, strong and pure. Love endure. Together we rise and sing. Peace within everything. So when the silence falls, me still hear it call. One heartbeat, true. Jah live in me and you. Nah, nah, nah. Rastaman chant ya man. Oh, oh, I. Under the moonlight, calm and still. Jah presence bless the hill. Stars above them shine so clear. Rasta spirit always near. Me sit and reason pon the stone. Never walk this path alone. In the rain a breeze. Jah comfort me with ease. Every sound from near and far. Guide me where the blessings are. Me chant for hope, me chant for love. Peace descend from above. The fire blaze, the chalice glow. Wisdom flow, my spirit grow. Me see the world in Jah design. Everything align, no envy, greed or pride. Just light from deep inside. Me walk with faith, me walk with care. Jah glory everywhere. Yeah, Rasta moonlight shine. Bless the heart, bless the mind. One love, one truth, one sound. Jah presence all around. Light the night, guide the day. Lead me on Jah way. Oh ah, oh ah, oh ah. Me hear the drum beat soft and low. Ancient voices start for show. Me feel the healing deep within. Jah kingdom never dim. Every man and woman true. Jah light shine through you. From the mountain to the sea, Rasta live in harmony. Me chant for unity, me chant for peace. Love and mercy never cease. The night so calm, the heart so pure. Jah love forever sure. Me rise, me pray, me sing. Jah blessing everything. No fear can shake me ground. Love forever sound. Yeah, Rasta moonlight shine. Bless the heart, bless the mind. One love, one truth, one sound. Jah presence all around. Light the night, guide the day. Lead me on Jah way. Oh ah, oh ah, oh ah. So when the dawn begin to glow, remember Jah wherever you go. One heart, one love, one flame. Forever in Jah name. Forever in Jah name. Oh ah, oh ah, oh ah. Smoke and meditate, your man. Aye, aye, aye. Smoke and meditate, your man. Me see the towers reach the sky, but truth no living light. Me feel the wind of judgment near. Jah voice me ear. The world tremble, the system shake. Cause the people awake. Babylon falling, me see the sign. Redemption time. Them build them kingdom pon the seat. Them feed the poor with defeat. But every stone them stack so high. Soon crumble, soon dry. The earth cry out in pain. Jah wash it clean again. Them can't hide behind them goal. The prophecy unfold. Me see the youth them wise again. Rising out the chain. Me see the people gather round. Freedom sound. No more leaders full of pride. Truth can't hide. Them try to silence Jah name, but still it flame. Babylon falling, hear the sound. Walls are tumble to the ground. Truth are the weapon, love the key. Set the captives free. Babylon falling, no delay. Jah kingdom pave the way.
answer Jah call, 'cause from the ruin come rebirth. New heaven, new earth. Me see the sunrise gold and red, a sign for what Jah said. Babylon fall but we still stand, guided by Jah hand. Tears turn river, pain turn song. Rasta never wrong. We build again from dust and clay. Jah show the way. No crown for the wicked king, only truth we sing. Me hear the thunder roll and call. Babylon fall, Babylon falling, hear the sound. Walls are tumble to the ground. Truth are the weapon, love the key. Set the captives free. Babylon falling, no delay. Jah kingdom pave the way. Every lie must fade and burn. Righteousness return. Babylon down but spirits high. Jah rule the sky. From ruin come creation new. Blessings true and through. When the dust finally clear, no more hate, no more fear. Babylon falling, people free. Jah eternity. Babylon falling, people free. Ay, ay, ay. Babylon falling, people free. Ay, ay, ay. Babylon falling, people free. Bada bim, bada bim, bada bim, bada boom. Kaya cushion a me look. Me sit on stone in a dance so cool. Me hold me chalice like holy tool. The firelight, the smoke arise. Me third eye open, need disguise. Me feel Jah whisper in a breeze. Me soul at rest, me mind at ease. No rush, no stress, me take me time. Each draw a prayer, each puff a rhyme. Chalice meditation, breath and flame. Call Jah name, no need for shame. Me reason I, me thoughts them clean. Herb and spirit walk between. Oh, oh, oh. Me hear the drum beat in a me chest. Heartbeat sync with the ancients' quest. Me chant Psalm 23 so soft. While ganja cloud me spirit lift aloft. Me no deal with vanity show. Me find me riches in the roots that grow. Each leaf a teacher, each bud divine. In a Jah garden me find the sign. Chalice meditation, breath and flame. Call Jah name, no need for shame. Me reason I, me thoughts them clean. Herb and spirit walk between. Me born Babylon, plan and fear. Inhale wisdom, exhale care. The chalice circle like sacred right. The moon watch over we every night. Me sit in silence, hold Jah word. Each breath deeper, spirit stirred. Chalice lift me, me vision bright. Meditation make me see the light. Me read myself to the natural flow, fi see what me eyes alone can't know. Me take me time, me walk the mile, each straw stretch fi another while. Me inhale hope, me exhale fear, me know Jaja always near. Chalice meditation, breath and flame, call Jah name, no need for shame. Me reason me thoughts them clean, herb and spirit walk between. Me reason me mind so still, chalice full and Jah do will.
Na na na, Zion Raka, yeah, man. Blaze up high from heart so true, fire of Rastaman break through, burn away the fear and light, light the world with just sunrise. Every spark a holy sign, every flame a true divine. Fire strong, it never dim, carry forth the righteous name. Fire of Rastaman, bright and bold, turn the night from dark to gold, cleanse the land, purify, lift the soul to Jah most high. It burn the chain of Babylon, show the people Jah is strong. It got the youth, it warm the old, tell them story prophets told. No water wash, no storm can kill, Rasta fire blaze Jah will. Flame of love and flame of peace, make the war and hatred cease. It glow within the sacred drum, it chant the call of Zion come. It blazing heart, it blazing song, guide the nation all along. It teach the people stand upright, burn away the wicked night. No shadow hide, no darkness stay, fire light the righteous way. We sit beside the holy flame, hear it whisper Jah true name. It say, my child, keep faith alive, true Jah love you will survive. It test the soul, it make it strong, teach the weak where they belong. Burn the greed and burn the pride, leave the truth that can't divide. When the dawn upon the land, fire still blaze by Jah hand. From sunset glow to morning bright, fire of Rastaman give light. From first breath until the end, sacred fire remain a friend. Carry blessing from above, blazing fire of pure love. Blaze high, blaze clear, Rasta fire bring Jah near. No wall, no chain, no iron hold, fire of Rastaman never cold. Fire of Rastaman, bright and bold, turn the night from dark to gold, cleanse the... Na na na, oh, open sky but narrow aim, different game. Me move free yet discipline, align. Freedom now mean drift around, lost and bound.
Me choose direction, not delay. Clear way. Me protect Christ's life sacred flame. No shame. Focus keep me wings in line, so me shine. Me cut distraction clean and neat, stay complete. Me invest energy with care. Aware, free but focused, calm control, mind and soul. Free but focused, strong and true. Loud and bright, flashy sight. Me step aside, me hold me lane, sustain. Me no scatter what me build slow, steady grow. Discipline free me from regret, see it's vain. Intentional each day, focus way, balance, burn freedom wide, open eye, free but focused, steady days, own space, free but focused, rise and
Rastaman is so high and music play a man. Hear the pounding in the street, iron drum beat, move the feet, calling warriors, calling friends, rhythm rise and Babylon ends, thunder echo, bassline roll, iron drum ignite the soul, no more silence, no retreat, people march on iron beat, sound wave travel, wall collapse, iron drum close all the gaps. Crack beneath the sound, drum of justice shake the ground. Every corner, every lane, iron drum erase the chain. Spirit wake, oppression fall,